Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Grammarly to Yahoo Mail. To add Grammarly to Yahoo Mail, you need to install Grammarly browser extension as it integrates directly with web-based text field like the one in Yahoo Mail. Here's how to do it. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, go to the app section on the left side of the screen. Here you can see Grammarly for Chrome. If you have not installed it previously, you will see a button like this. Simply click on Install. If the extension is not working properly, you can click on Reinstall link. After that, you will be directed to New Window. Here you can click on Remove from Chrome and again click on Remove. After that, you can add it again. Now open Yahoo Mail. Go to Yahoo Mail and log into your account. After that, click on Compose to start new mail. Grammarly will automatically activate within the Yahoo Mail text editor. Underline grammar and spelling issues as you type. As you write, Grammarly will underline errors in red for critical issues and gray for style or clarity suggestion. Hover over or click on this underlined word to view Grammarly suggestion. Then select changes as needed. Grammarly should work seamlessly with Yahoo Mail once the browser extension is installed. However, you may need to refresh the page or re-enable Grammarly if it doesn't appear initially. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.